Let's take a quick look at Global Secure Access Remote Networks. This is a simple, yet powerful capability that allows you to route user and agent traffic over the Microsoft Global Network without installing the GSA client on every device. It's especially useful for scenarios where installing the client isn't possible, such as third-party managed devices, IoT, or branch office environments. The challenge, however, is that configuring remote networks requires networking expertise. Setting up tunnels, routing, and connectivity can make even a proof of concept or pilot feel more complex than it needs to be. Introducing the GSA Remote Network Appliance. It's a purpose-built Linux appliance designed to make deploying global secure access remote networks significantly easier. There's no need to configure the appliance through the command line. Simply complete the initial network setup, and everything else can be managed through an intuitive web interface. Instead of following lengthy CLI instructions to configure LAN, WAN, IPsec tunnels, and BGP, the experience is centered around the jobs you want to accomplish. Whether you're setting up a proof of concept or rolling out a pilot, the appliance simplifies the process so you can focus on connecting your network rather than troubleshooting complex networking configurations. Here's how you can assign an IP address to the appliance without using the command line or knowing any Linux commands. Everything is done through the web UI. Now that the appliance is ready, let's configure the remote network in the GSA portal. The RN Fleet portal has automatically detected the public IP address of the GSA appliance. Simply copy it into the GSA portal and complete the remaining configuration. Before applying the configuration, let's verify the current traffic path. At the moment, traffic is using the local ISP, not the Microsoft network. For the configuration, simply copy the JSON from the portal. Now paste the JSON into the RN Fleet portal. Then enter the IPsec settings and pre-shared key. The appliance will automatically configure the IPsec tunnel and BGP with no need to use the Linux command line. We're all set. Let's quickly see which path our traffic is taking now. As you can see, our traffic is being tunneled immediately after it leaves the appliance. We can also verify the client gateway IP. Notice that the traffic is now flowing through the Microsoft Global Secure Access Network instead of the local ISP. To summarize, we successfully deployed a GSA remote network appliance on a standalone Hyper-V virtual machine behind a NATed network. The appliance hides the underlying complexity, making it easy to evaluate global secure access remote networks in minutes instead of waiting days or weeks for networking hardware procurement and setup. For proof of concepts and pilot deployments, administrators don't need Linux expertise or any command line configuration. Everything is managed through a simple, task-focused web interface.